Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. Then I think we will get started. The first session we would be talking about is we will explore all the different studios a bit. And then we will start creating our own PEGA application. We will see how you start with creating the application. Probably you might have been aware of this already, but maybe the first session to take up is we will create an and we will be using it throughout the rest of the course. Going forward for implementing all the aspects, when it comes to PEGA Studios, earlier when PEGA was in 7.4 version, we did not have these studios and all. It was just like we had an App Express and we had some designer studio. That's all what we have got. But now we have 4 different studios specifically designed for different set of people. It's designated for different set of people wherein each studio is for a specific purpose. Can you name those studios? Yes, we have App Studio, Dev Studio, Admin Studio and Prediction Studio. Exactly perfect. We have App Dev, Admin and Prediction Studios. Each one of it is designated for a specific set of people. App Studio is where we work on the accelerated application development. It could be BAs or it could be even normal application developers also can work on the App Studio. The major focus is for an accelerated application development. You can build your application. Skeleton or a high-level picture of the application can be designed from the App Studio. And then who works on it is the major focus is for the business analyst. And of course, we cannot let the business analyst handle every complex scenario. That's where our Dev Studio comes into picture to deal with the complex set of requirements. Your security-related aspects, questioning, team collaboration, source control, everything. What is beyond the business analyst would be available on the Dev Studio. We developers will be working on the Dev Studio. Then we have admin for the system administrators to look after the background processing, the batch jobs, node management. These sort of things are taken care of the admin studio. Then the last one at Prediction Studio is designed for the data scientists and data analysts. People who are inclined to work with data. They would be part of your prediction where you can build the adaptive predictive models and you can just play around with the data. Like App Studio, we know you can design your case types, that you can define the SS2, you can create channels, you can design how your application needs to look like. On the App Studio, you can quickly design your application. The high-level skeleton you can review from the product owners directly. And you can estimate your project requirements. You can know you have a lot of other options as well as in how you would manage the project. Those things are part of your App Studio. And like we know, Dev Studio focuses on the complex and advanced functionality where you deal with the complex rule forms here. On the App Studio, you can only implement an SLA there when you can apply it, but in order to work on the rule, you have to come back to the Dev Studio. Things like your other aspects, like your skin rules and all those, are specific for your Dev Studios. Like I said, branch development, versioning, source control, all these are part of the Dev Studio. And in the Admin Studio to look after the deployments. Batch processing agents queues. Now we have job schedulers and queue processes replacing our agents. All those can be handled from the Admin Studio. We will also be looking at the Admin Studio for few sessions where schedulers, agents, and sort of stuff. And finally, you can build in your own set of models text, categorization, extraction models. You can build them. Also, if required, you can build your model in any other language. You can also have them implemented in PEGA using the PML model type. I mean, again, this is exclusively for the data scientists and all. Unless your application is involving some AI flavors, we wouldn't need to work on the Prediction Studio. I think yes, as you already know, these are the new studios and designated for the respective set of people. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.